This week we used the Flightscope to see what the effect would be if we try to hit the ball higher than normal. The results were a little bit surprising because we used a 7-iron, and off a normal fairway shot we got a carry of 200 yards with a 7-iron, and then with a high shot we actually got a little bit more carry, but there was a bit of tailwind blowing, so you can see if you want to get more distance out of a shot and you've got a tailwind blowing, you can try and get it up in the air a little bit more. What didn't surprise us though was the spin, because trying to hit the ball higher we use a shallower angle of approach. In other words, we hit the ball on the upswing, and you should lose a little bit of backspin with that. So definitely the spin for a normal shot of the fairway was the backspin was a lot more than the shot that starts higher. But remember, it should land a little bit softer as well. And then definitely what we saw was the height reached. Okay, it was a lot higher when we try to hit it higher. So normally what you would want to do is, if you're trying to hit higher over an obstacle, you actually have to choose a lot more loft. And then the ball shouldn't go as far, but in this case, because of the tailwind, it actually ended up going a little bit further. The way to play the shot would be to move the ball, let's see, from a normal stance position. Okay, we would move it a little bit forward in the stance. Okay, so you're going to try and feel like you're swinging an uphill, on a slight uphill. So you're trying to hit the ball on an upswing. We would call, in golfing terminology, we would call a shallow angle of approach. So you're presenting a little bit more loft to the ball, so it should climb quicker and reach a little bit more height than normal. And the way to play the shot is to make sure that you stand behind it, that you stay behind it, excuse me, and finish with a nice high, big finish. And always, when a good motto to go by when you're trying to hit the ball high is, if you need to hit it high, you need a good lie.